Alright everybody, how's it going? It's John, and last time I left y'all we was going to fly the MiG-29. It's a RC Powers bill, and I had rubber bands on it, the little rubber bands you buy from the dollar store that the girls use to put in their hair. Don't use them. They broke. The rubber bands on the breakaway motor mount here, the motor saver mount here. I was using the dollar store, the little rubber bands from the dollar store that girls put in their hair, and I was running it up here in the shop and it broke, and it laid the motor over, and the motor got caught on the airframe, and before I could throttle it down, I don't know if I burned up the motor or the ESC or both, but it's definitely broke. So until I get us a new motor in from Grayson Hobbies, we're going to put this up for a little while. Alrighty, another project we got going is I also got the free plans from RC Power's site for the Extra 300. And I have a Powerline Yak 54 here that has definitely seen better days. And actually this would be fixable. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to scavenge the parts off of this, and we're going to fix up that extra from Dave Powers. Hi everybody, this is John, and we're out here today. We've got an RC Powers Extra 300. It's the free plans from their website. And I have some real radical throws on these ailerons, so I think first thing I'm going to do is get it trimmed out a little bit. We're going to do a couple glides with it just to make sure it's trimmed out, because when I do launch it I don't want it to be a handful in the air. And I'm going to have one of my sons here give it a toss for me. Come over here on the side of it, Steve. Give it a little bit of power. Alright, go for it.
Alright, there we go.
Got plenty of power. I'm needing a little. Boy, them ailerons are really touchy. Whew. The right aileron trim. Can you see it, James?
Yep. I lost it a couple times, but that's okay.
It's alright. I'm going to bring it in kind of close here a little bit. A little bit windy out here. I definitely need more elevator. Definitely needing some more elevator. I was using rubber bands.
Start over?
Now I think the first thing I'm going to have do.
Last flight.
Ready?
Last
Just
flight.
one more flight.
That's a heck of a crash landing.